Last year, alongside the Gloucestershire Rural Community Council, we launched the Community Flood Warden scheme.
It's a project to recruit volunteer flood wardens across the district to help support communities at risk of flooding.
I'm John Tiffany. Until recently I was chairman of the Civic Society here in Cirencester. I've lived here for 11 years. My background professionally is involved in emergency planning, so I was naturally very drawn to the idea of becoming a flood warden in Cirencester, not least because I now live beside the river so I can monitor it very easily. But equally because I'm so concerned about the effects of flooding on people and their homes. As I understand it, the job is to just be a citizen monitoring the water levels and alerting the authorities before the flooding actually takes place.
So the role of the flood wardens is to help work with their communities to spread the word, make sure people know if they're at flood risk and what they can do to be more prepared and help themselves, to hope that we can get people back in their homes faster and businesses up and running more quickly as well.
We want to encourage residents to step forward to help their communities become more resilient.
When the opportunity arose, I willingly and immediately signed up as a flood warden because I'm so concerned about the effects of flooding on people in their homes in Cirencester, and we desperately need more help.
For more information on becoming a flood warden or on community emergency planning, then please contact myself at GRCC. My email is helenr@grcc.org.uk. Thank you.